So the last 3 months have come and gone really, really fast. I mean, way too fast for me, and just in general, this whole year is kind of flashing by. But in the last 3 months, I've started to notice a change in my beard. It has been getting a lot drier. Wait, in the last 3 months? In the last 3 weeks, I mean. And I think it's mainly two things. One, the change of weather. It's got a bit colder, there's a bit more wind, there's moisture in the air now, and it's, you know, the whole world's kind of been like a desert throughout the summer months. And the second reason is the beard is actually getting pretty long. It's 3 months of growth. It's made some really good progress. To keep it in good shape now, I have to use more product. So today we're at week 14 of this year already, and I want to talk about why you want to use the best beard oils on your beard. First off, I'm Daniel. I make all the content over here on this channel called Beardster. I mean, I kind of am Beardster. You get it, right? And if you get any value out of this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, and you know, just ring the bell. That's all you need to do, and that will really help me out. So for me, beard oil is just an incredible product. It's unlike balms or butters that start off as a solid, then turn to a liquid. Beard oil is a liquid to start with, which means it's really easy to work through the beard, get to the skin, get to those hard to reach areas that a balm definitely doesn't always get to, and sometimes a butter just kind of runs out of steam. Now, not all beard oils are equal. I've tried a lot of beard oils over the last sort of 5-6 years. They definitely aren't equal, and that's kind of why I've started making a new series on this channel where we look to find the best beard oils and other products out there. But kind of what goes into making a good beard oil in the first place, because that's kind of what we're looking for here. And on top of that, we actually need to have a beard oil that is good for all lengths of beard. A lot of beard oils will either be really light or really heavy, and you kind of just want that spectrum in the middle, because that spectrum in the middle means that it is going to be good regardless of whether you have a Gandalf beard or you have an Eminem beard. So my starters for what makes a beard oil great is the ingredients, and I want ingredients that are going to condition and moisturize not just the beard hair but the skin all underneath the beard, because without the skin remaining in top condition, the beard is just gonna become shit and full of crap, full of dandruff, beard druff, whatever you want to call it, grime. Your skin will crack, you'll shave the beard's gone, you killed the beard because you didn't look after your skin. So we want a beard oil that has ingredients that are going to stop that. So things like your argan oil, your jojoba oil, coconut oil was really good as well. Rice bran oil was a really nice emulsifier, but it was really good for your skin. And funny enough, I really like castor oil. It's really good for encouraging blood flow around the body, and just applying some to your skin really does help condition it, moisturize it. And for things like argan oil, jojoba oil, even castor oil, there have been numerous US-based research experiments to say that it does enhance growth of the old hair, mainly on your head, but definitely it's gonna help with the beard growth as well. So once those ingredients are in the product you want, you actually want to make sure, like I said, that the beard oil isn't too light, so it just vanishes pretty much as soon as you put it on your hands eat it up. And you don't want it to be too heavy, so you don't want the product to sit on your hands, on your face all day, just greasing anything up. You put the phone to your ear, you look at it, the screen's covered in grease. You don't want that. So you want to look out for some lighter oils, and those lighter oils are things such as like apricot kernel oil, sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil, and you want to make sure that there's a good quantity. So most ingredients on the back of your product will be listed in the order of how much there is in the product. So the first ingredient on the label under EU law will say that's the most. So if it says argan oil or sweet almond oil, there's more of that ingredient in that bottle than any of the others, and it goes in descending order. So just have a look and see if the lighter oils are up front compared to heavy oils. So if there's a product with castor oil as the first ingredient, you probably want to avoid that because it's just going to sit on your face all day. Now, I wouldn't get too caught up about whether the ingredients are organic or cold pressed or expeller pressed, because for some ingredients it will only work if they're one of them. So for example, argan oil, you should only ever really get cold pressed. If you see an expeller pressed or heat extracted argan oil, you know it's not the real deal. Well, hopefully you do, and if you don't, you know now, so just throw it away, never use it. But things like sweet almond oil and even grapeseed oil, really, they need to be heat extracted, because otherwise they don't really work with the skin and beard as well. They're not really fit for cosmetic use and they just go off really quickly. So don't stress out if your beard oil has expeller pressed grapeseed oil in. It's probably gonna do the job. And for me, ultimately, this is all you need from your beard oils. If it's got a good scent, if it's got a good natural scent with essential oils that actually help the skins, maybe things like tea tree oil that are gonna fight off some bacteria and bits like that, then it's just adding to the perks of using a beard oil. But for me, just for starters, it's all about the ingredients and how it feels on the face. And if we combine this and we put it into our beards, how's it gonna feel and act, and how good is your beard gonna feel throughout the day? And that's what I look for the beard oils, and I've been testing a bunch over the last couple weeks. So I feel like I'm getting a good perspective on what's out there in the market right now. Anyway guys, I think that's it really. Let me know what beard oils you enjoy using at the moment. Just put a comment down below, and I'll try and get my hands on some of that stuff in the near future and try it out myself. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you very soon. Goodbye.